Roll out, Grom Day, 2K19. Fuck, man, good luck, everybody. Whew, it's gonna be a bonkers fucking ride. I gotta get to the front, get my picture, and then we can start this shit show.
Alright, before this video begins, just like the last video, this one is demonetized due to wheelies, cops, and all that jazz that YouTube does not like anymore. But shout out to the last video's patrons, Jesse and Daniel. I do appreciate your $5 donations. And you guys are automatically entered into the Honda Grom giveaway for Stockton Out Season 2, which is starting up very, very soon. A link down below if you guys want to support the channel and be entered to win a Honda Grom. Alright, enjoy Grom Day 2K19.
Oh, phone! Damn it, quad lock. Alright, we're good. You gotta make sure you mount that fucker right. Going this way. First stoplight. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm gonna take my picture first. No wheelies yet, guys. But welcome to Grom Day 2019. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you've been here a minute. This is the ride you guys have been waiting for all year. It's gonna get fucking crazy. Shut up! I think I'm gonna stand on my bike. Yep. Yep. Holy shit. Put it in. Look how far they're coming.
Everybody hands go up.
Bring them up.
And they stay there. And they stay there. And they stay there.
Alright, here we go. Thank you, Jeff. Shit is now real. Fuck. Alright, let's see what we got here. I want to get in the mix. Up front, what? I can do that anytime. Let's see the whole ride. Holy shit, guys. Nice modular helmet. That's a bold move.
Damn. And there's still some guy pushing everybody. KTM, she got the RZ, bro. Alright, here we go.
What's up, man? Look at this shit. Hi. Let's see if I can get to the front again. Everyone's got their cameras out in the cars. No one gives a shit. 600, 700 bikes, easily. Biggest ride out I've been on by far, and it's all Groms for the most part. Hey, there's the goblin. Look at that little doggy. That's a mini dog. It's like a skinny race dog. See, that's a Grom. It's a Grom dog. I saw a Grom dog. I'm excited. All right, look, Fitty Squad. He's a solo Fitty Squad. Everyone grew up and got Groms. All right, let's see if we can scoot to the front a little bit. Go on, give me that shit. No, that's for you, YouTube. Demonetized, baby. Come on, America. Why are you guys not making the road trip to come down to Grom Day? All the other YouTubers, Baker X Derek, Fooligan, Grommy Bear, Maceface, I visit you in Phoenix. Get your ass over here. Shit. Oh, no handers. Superman and Jordans. Look at him. Damn, if she had a gap in her teeth, you could jump. Whoa. This is straight demonetized right now. Thanks, Curtis. That took me probably 2 hours to censor out. Appreciate it, bud. Holy shit. Holy shit. Don't hit a ball. Blap. You know, if you got a chrome helmet and goggles on sideways, you know how to ride. That's the rule. Team Snap, the secret word is caps. We'll see if you guys get a sticker pack or not. People off road. Oh, he hit that fucking mulch jump. He's fucking ramping off the mulch. Watch. Oh my god, his tail end whipped. What a save. I guess if you jump mulch, you know how to ride in the dirt. I will take the camera out. It'll probably be closer to the bridges and back by the prison and all that stuff. Down here is too hectic. Too many cars.
So many fucking people!
Hey, you stay behind my second gears. It's awesome. I have not seen one single police officer. Not to be confused with the other word, Team Snap. There's another kid on the back of the bike. He's holding his phone out, getting snaps, TikToks. He's gonna be a popular kid in school tomorrow. Oh, we're going right back up where the meetup location was, right by the substation. You're about to see 40 cop cars. Every car you see there, all those white cars, all cops. Oh, there's a dude we met at Walmart. Let me get up there. Someone went down hard. Damn. Hopefully that Grom dude's good. Hey, we're the guys from Walmart. What's up, man? He's liking it.
And dog bike.
Yeah, he's like, oh, we've been around more than you. I was like, I don't think so.
All right, we're at the front finally. Shit. Damn. Too fast, too furious life. Fuck. I don't want to be up here. It sucks being a Grom. All you see is DRZ wheelies happening. So, man. Alright, we're getting close to picture time. Gotta find someone you know that can wheelie. Okay, alright, got a few more picture opportunities coming up, and we're also going by the jail. So there's that. Look at this guy getting his phone out. They're on a convention. There's a jail. I love it because the jail gets all this show. Big bikes. Oh, surfing. Oh, shit. We got surfers here. What's he doing? He's doing radar. He's doing radar. He's trying to do radar out there, and we're fucking up his whole day. No one's going above 40, sir. He's only allowed to pull people over speeding. Fuck. That was good. Oh shit, cops are on us. We got them in the mix. They're probably just going to chase down a speeder. It's probably one of the big bikes that joined us. Go get him, officer. Get them big bikes. Look, the cops blasting by. They're gonna arrest him, put him in juvie. He's going to jail today. So, man. He gave up. Oh, yeah. He turned around. The cops gave up. I want to get someone to do a wheelie thing and then give me 5. Yeah. All right, guys. Halfway through. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more fun. You got to have a chrome helmet for this shit. Stop. All right, we're back. Continuing this ride. It's kind of majestic. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Damn, good save. And back up. Cup 'em. What if I did that? I just got bit. Fucking go down. How'd you crash Grom Day? Fucking dog bit me. So, man. Lewis! Do a stand up over the bridge. This is Lewis' comeback. Yes. Lewis is back, baby. Hell yeah. Lewis came back from 3 broken ribs, broken wrists, doing chicken wings over the fucking bridge in Jacksonville. Woo! Nice. Fuck yeah. Alright, I can't top that photo, so I'm putting the camera away. We're done with the camera for the rest of the ride. If you guys enjoyed those photos, smash that thumbs up. I do it for you guys. I still like to do wheelies, so it takes a lot for me to get the Photogromer back in me. Woo! Alright, camera's away. Wheelie's back. Mobile ICU. What? Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. I don't know what the fuck just happened there. I think I clipped a little bit. Damn. Yeah. See, I clipped with the bar. She's good. Well, at least she's not on the ground. The ground hurts a lot more than taking a sub cage to the leg. But damn. They looked alright, but looked like fucking bikes were about to fall on them. Woo! Ah! Don't at him! Oh man. This guy. Hey. Pete is gonna straight fuck you up. You crash head onto somebody. Alright, let's stop and see how many people we got left. Watch how I do this. Pay attention. Watch this. Sidewalk. And then park where? Not in the middle of the road, but in a driveway. Alright, so there's about 20 people in front of me right now. Start counting, YouTube. Probably another 20 there. Now I gotta go. Whoever got an accurate count wins a prize. Post a comment down below. How many were there? Somebody please take the time to count all these. Check the comments down below. See if you find the right answer. Thumbs it up. How many people do you think? 20 in front, 20 in back, plus everyone that just went by. Well, shit. Someone's seat fell off. Oh, it's this guy. Fucking bubble gum that bike together before the ride. All right, let's slow down. You want to slow down? Fuck him. Gotta get at least one shot of her this year. What kind of pencil dick is that? Look at that little guy.
I'd get a life size.
He said how to get a life size. We made it, guys. Grom Day 2K19 is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. If you haven't done so, subscribe. You know, all that jazz. And then make sure to come out 2K20 2020. Make sure you're here in Jacksonville, Florida, sometime in May. Grom Day is where it's at if you own a Mini. Even if you don't, come on out. Good times. There you go. All right. Good luck.